Alright guys, one more video just to help out with the Unit 3 test. This one's on similar figures. I think most of us are pretty good at this now because we learned that method fish to figure out what the missing side x is. Just to refresh our memories though, let's go ahead and do this problem. Here we're going to have two similar triangles. We got to be careful that we match up the correct sides and we keep our order so that we can use our newfound friend fish. And here's how fish works in case you were unclear on fish. Alright, fish is just proportions, that's all it is. And we need to make sure that we stay consistent. If we go little to big, that we go little to big. So little to big, little to big is going to equal little to big. And that's what I'm going to do on this one. Now you could go big to little if you like, but you have to make sure you go big to little on your other fraction on the other side. So I'm going to start by going 3 is to 39. 3 is to 39. That's little to big, right here, little to big, equals little, which is x, to big, which was 52. Now I'm going to use fish here, and that means I'm going to take my pen or pencil or whatever it is I have, preferably a pencil, so you can't erase mistakes in pen. Fish is going to be happy there, and I need to multiply now 3 times 52. 3 times 52, well 3 times 50 is 150 and 3 times 2 is 6. So 3 times 52 is 156 equals 39x, because I multiply the other two on the way back when I'm using fish here. Alright, so at this point I just need to divide both sides by 39, and when I do that, 39 actually goes into 156 evenly 4 times, because 4 times 30 is 120 and 4 times 9 is 36. 120 plus 36 is 156. So 4 is going to equal x. At that point I just box up my answer, and that will be the final answer for this one. So remember, the important part to using fish is to make sure that you stay consistent. If you go little to big, you got to go little to big. If you go big to little, you got to go big to little. Hopefully this helped, and study hard. Good luck on the test.